Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to present data really simply. My name is David and I'm from Excel Consulting, and I'm going to show you how to do these four things. When people display data in PowerPoint and presentations, even in Excel, they often just do too much and it looks too confusing. I want to present that 75% of our clients are female. I'm going to do it in four ways. First is repeating icons. So here we can see relatively, there's more women than men. Here is relative size, and I know the area is not exactly the same, but it's still showing us the idea. Here it's just a big number and small text underneath. This is a really effective method that's used quite a lot. And this is the data label here, and using this donut chart, but I call it a Pac-Man chart. It's kind of eating away here. I also call it a bar chart, where it's just filled versus not filled. So let's see how we can do those. So, start with a blank canvas. Firstly, I'm going to navigate to the thing that I call the slide recipe book, the PowerPoint recipe book. And here I have all sorts of templates that you might want to reuse, including those four that I just showed you. But I have here over 650 icons that you can use as you please. You can download this for free from a website that I've got a link to in the description below. So let's look for our man and women, which is here and here, and we're just going to copy these and paste them here. What's special about these icons are PowerPoint treats them like shapes, and like shapes I can just change the color to absolutely anything I want. I can change the outline, I can do all sorts of strange effects with it. So I'm going to just make them a bit bigger, align them like that. Let's duplicate the woman and put it like that. And then just select these three and make them a little bit of a pinkish color. And this one, we're going to make him a blue color, like that. And there we can see it like that. B is also using these two. So pretty straightforward once you have the icons. Make that one bigger. There we go. By the way, if you have Office 365 or Office 2019, if you go to the Insert tab, you get icons here, and you can get pretty much the same thing. You can get these things that you can recolor, and you have man and woman that's there as well. Next, big number, small text. This is so easy. Just create a text box like that. Type in 75% of clients are female. And then just kind of select this text and make it bigger. Let's make it fill up this whole thing. So, is that good? It's a bit much. Yeah, that's kind of okay. And now this one, we're going to make it bigger as well. Give that a small O. Using the shortcut here. And the trick is just to get the start of the text to be in line with the start of the number. Even though, of course, the number is a lot bigger than the text. So that means that it just makes the number a lot more prominent. So this, as the only thing in the slide, can look really, really lovely. So let's do the last one. This is the hardest one. So we're going to go to Insert and choose Chart. I'm going to go to Pie and choose this donut here. And in PowerPoint, it will automatically pop out with an Excel window where you can edit your data. Let's write female, 75%, male, 25%, and then the rest of it we can just delete. I can change this to say clients, but that doesn't really matter so much. Once I'm finished with this data, I can exit out of here. Move this to where it needs to go, in there, maybe a bit bigger. There we go. Don't need this, so click on it, delete. Don't need this, click on it, delete. That's a bit too big now. There we go. Sizing these things can be tricky sometimes. Okay, smaller, but that'll do. Then you want to click on this, and you want to select only this part of the chart. So if you click once, you select both. And if you recolor that, you'll recolor both of them. What you want to do is you want to click once and then once again, so that now if you right click and choose fill, you can choose no fill, and it only selects this one here and no outline. So click twice with left click and then right click with the third click. And there you have it. And now I'm just going to duplicate this, Control D, maybe make it smaller and put that inside the chart in the middle like that. You can do the same thing with Excel. Alternatively, you could have done this as a data label, but they're a little bit tricky to get exactly where you want it to be, and here it's just easier like that. So that's it. That's how you create this kind of bar chart or Pac-Man chart like this, as well as these other three things. Same method in Excel, Word, Outlook, etc. Thanks for watching.